Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? 3 to the power of n plus 1 equals -9. Solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. So let's start it this way. If you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So applying this right here, we have 3 power n times 3 power 1 equals -9. I can divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. 3 eliminates 3. Remember, 3 power 1 is 3. So I'm going to be left with 3 power n equals -9 divided by 3. We have -3. So right now, what we are going to do will be to solve this. But before then, this -3 here, I can have it as 3 power n equals -1 times 3. -1 times 3 just in as -3. So I can then apply natural log of 3 power n equals natural log of -1 times 3. Now, if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. So we are simply going to have n times natural log of 3 equals, for this, let's still maintain -1 times 3. That's natural log of -1 times 3. Now, if you have this identity, natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So from here, we have n natural log of 3 equals natural log of -1 plus natural log of 3. Now, what can we do here? We have -1. Remember, if you have e power I times pi plus 1, this will give you 0. Meaning that e power I times pi is the same thing as -1, taking this over here. So let's substitute this e power I times pi for -1 here. That means you have n times natural log of 3 equals natural log of e to the power of I times pi plus natural log of 3. Instead of writing -1, we write e power I times pi. Now from here, we have n times natural log of 3 equals. Also remember that if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. So that means we have I times pi times natural log of e plus natural log of 3. So from here, natural log of e cancel out. We have n times natural log of 3 equals I times pi plus natural log of 3. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can solve for n by dividing this by natural log of 3 and dividing this by natural log of 3. This eliminate this. I have n equals I times pi plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. From here, I have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 3 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. From here, I have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 3 plus this divide this, I have 1. This is my answer. What did you get? Did you get the same thing? Now let's do it using a different approach of 3 power n plus 1 equals negative 9. First step is to consider if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Applying that here, at 3 power n times 3 power 1 equals negative 9. And right here, I can express this negative 9 as product of negative 1 times 9. I have 3 to the power of n times 3, which is the same thing as 3 power 1, equals negative 1 times 9. So right here, what I can do will be to consider this identity. If you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. If you take the squares, this eliminates this, so you have negative 1 equals I power 2. So you have 3 to the power of n times 3 equals negative 1 times 9. And negative 1 is I power 2, so this simply means 3 to the power of n times 3 equals I power 2 times 9. So right now, what we can do will be to divide by 3. Divide by 3. This eliminate this. We have 3 to the power of n equals I power 2 times 9 divided by 3. We have 3. Then let's apply the natural log. I have natural log of 3 power n equals natural log of I power 2 times 3. And don't forget, natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. We apply that here, and also natural log of a times b equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So let's proceed from here. The n comes behind this. I have n times natural log of 3 equals natural log of, this is my a, this is my b. So this natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3. So applying this right here, I have natural log of n power 3, or natural log of n natural log of 3 equals 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 3. Making this the subject, dividing this by natural log 3, dividing this by natural log 3. This cancel this. I have n equals 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. So maintaining this common denominator, we have n equals 2 natural log of I divided by natural log of 3 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 3. So finally, you can have n equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 3 plus this eliminate this, we have 1. This is our answer based on this method, and this was our answer based on this method. So here is 2 times natural log of I equals, here is I times pi. And this equality makes the both solutions to be correct. So guys, easy. This is how you solve it step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye. Remember, any of the methods you choose to use is obviously very correct, depending on how you go about it. So guys, thank you and goodbye.